Oh, what are you doing here?
Hello, I'm Joyce.
8 hours, so incredible. We have arrived at Kunming station.
Kunming station.
How about the weather here?
It's so warm.
It's so warm than Chengdu. I think so. And there is very sunny. You can see here it's very clear, crystal sky, and it's a wonderful place. I think the journey will be very nice. I hope. And there is too many people from the train.
Tourist team.
Oh, tourist team. Okay. They are doing
All the tourist team.
all the peoples. They are very like to for tourism. And YunNan is the best tourist destinations in China, I think.
Yes.
How do you think?
Yes, I think so. I totally agree with you.
Okay, so currently what we will do? We will go to the parking lot
Yeah, parking.
to get our cars.
Let me hold on. It's so many people.
Wait a moment.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
And there is too congested. Oh, there is whistle. I still think it's incredible. For JC, I think the longest trip for you is just 4 hours, right? And currently you have break your record. You have get the 8 hours trips by railway. How about the railway journey? The experience? It's comfortable?
Comfortable.
Yeah, and nice, and you can eat. Yeah. Here is our car for the YunNan trip, and we are checking carefully for the car, the quality, and if there some scratch, we need to record carefully. And the SUV looks very good, and there is also provide some mineral waters, and the internal, the car indoor is also clean. That's good. Okay, let me process some procedure. Hello. I already got the rental car and drive to the downtown of Kunming. Turn left, and we can wait. We'll go to the waiting room. And yeah, the Kunming is too many sun and sunny city, and there is a lot of cloud.
There is so warm.
Yeah, I have already changed the clothes. And now we will go to the Dianchi and to see if we can see some seagull. And if we are fortunate to see some seagull, that will be very nice. Okay. This is Dianchi Lake.
Dianchi Lake.
Yes. But the seagull is not too many. Maybe it already fly back to Russia. Wonderful. Dianchi Lake.